We are back. This is our second last site tour here at Brewer Park. We have a lot of the trim, the casing, the finishing done. I want to take you through, talk you some of the details we've been doing here and some of the stuff coming up for the next couple of weeks to wrap this up. This will be, like I said, the second last video, so I'm excited to show you the final product in a couple of weeks here. Let me take you through and show you what we're doing. So it's nice and quiet here. Everybody's at working at Heights training, so we have the whole place to ourselves. What I want to show you is these door setups. So we have our solid core doors. We have a 3¼ inch solid casing. We expect black hinges on this project. And one of the things we've done to kind of spruce it up a little bit is these architraves. Now these architraves come as just regular trim pieces. We assemble themselves on site, but it's an important little detail to be able to miter these back and make sure that we have a nice reveal, and so that your casing and your main piece of your architrave are perfectly in line, so everything's nice and set up properly. We've done quite a bit of shiplap siding in the house in important places to add details without making it and just feel like a cabin. So behind the banquette here we have it in the living room as well as the front foyer, just to add some stability so that the drywall doesn't get damaged, but it adds a nice bit of touch of class to everything around here. You remember me showing the pocket doors, so these are cavity sliders. Again, same setup as all the rest of the doors. We'll be putting our hardware on after the finishing painting happens next week, but we've just carried the architraves all the way through. Now here at the back, we have all our tile installed. We have more shiplap in the bathroom as well. Tiles on the walls, already done. Our plumbers are here next week to install all the finishes and fixtures. We have a closet back here. So it's too wide for a single door. We've added a double door, same spec, solid core, architraves on top. And the nice little thing is we always add motion lights to the closets just so people can see a little bit easier. We have our rods hung nice and high so that we're able to put coats on top and put storage on the bottom. Again, these are all details we've worked out with the client way in advance, and so it's just a matter of installing it here. We'll be putting the rod in once the painting's done. Let me take you back, show you up front. So cabinetry's all wrapped up. You can see the final product. Remember all the trouble we had with the reading? It came out fantastic, looks great. Great job, Chris. I know you're watching this. Underneath, we have our pull strings put in for all our HDMI cables for anything else. They mentioned they're going to hook up their Xbox to here, so we have the ability to just pull string through to the front of the TV up here, and everything will be stored away, including, we also included a plug under there, so that's great. Our open shelves are all done, a little dusty, but we'll get that cleaned up. Cabinetry is all finished. Countertops have been templated. They're going to be installed early next week. We're going to be installing our appliances as soon as that happens as well. We've already stuck our appliances in. Plumber will be hooking up the fridge next week as well. Dishwasher will be installed next week, and this is our hood fan that'll go over top here, but we want to wait till the countertops are installed to put that in. One of the last things we have to do is put glass. There's a piece of glass that goes here with a nice black detail reveal through it to make it look like window panes. So we'll be putting those in next week as well. So our patio door is finally in, finished, installed, architrave on top as per usual, and we're just getting all cleaned up outside to start demobilization and on to the next one. So I'm going to take you through in a couple weeks, show you the final product, all finished, painted, everything ready to go. We'll have the floor protection up. You can see everything as a finished product. Until then, see you next time.